Hi, this is Kanimozhi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science in Sri Krishna Swami College for Women. Today we will discuss about the topic is Filestream and Applet in Java. Let us discuss with them. Discuss with the topic is Filestream. Java input and output is used to process the input and produces the output. The main concept of stream is used to make the input operations fast in Java. Here java.io package done this job. It contains all the classes which are needed for the input and output operations in Java. In Java, file handling are performed by using Java input and output API. Here mainly streams are used for process the group of data. It is a sequence of data. Stream is a way of sequentially accessing a file, and it is composed of bytes. Streams are created automatically in Java. System.out, which is mentioned standard output stream. System.in, which is mentioned standard input stream. System.error, which is mentioned standard error stream. Here system standard output stream and standard input streams are basically used in Java. Standard input stream is get the characters from the sources like files, console, or any sources. It only read the data from the sources, and standard output stream will write the data in a particular destination, and destination may be a file or any console. Error indicates while executing the program, if we face any error stream will display the error message in a monitor. Here some of the examples are given for the output stream and error stream. System.out.println. Here system is the class, out is the instance of the system class, and println is the method which is under in a system class. It only display the message in a monitor, that is write the message which was we mentioned in the double quotes in a destination. System.error.println. Here system is the class, error is the instance of the system class, and println is the method of system. It capture the error while executing the program and display the message, error message in a screen using error stream. Let us see the input stream. Input stream is read the data from the sources. How it will be read the data? Let's see. Using system.in.readline, it will read the character from the source. Here system is the class, in is the instance, read is the method. After getting the input data, the character will be converted into ASCII code, as ASCII code is stored in an integer I variable. After we use system.out.println statement, print the character in a monitor. Let us see. Here's input stream get the data from the sources. The sources are like file, console, circuit. Input stream mainly read the data from the source, and output stream write the data in a destination. A destination is file, console, or any circuit. Mainly two streams, input stream and output stream. Input stream contains 4 types: file input stream, byte array input stream, filter array input stream, object input stream. Within the filter input stream, we have a subclasses like buffered input stream and data input stream. In output stream, we have four types: file output stream, that is which is oriented file operations; byte array output stream; filter output stream; object output stream. Within the filter output stream, we have a subclasses like data output stream and buffered output stream. Here, file input stream and file output streams are used to mainly read the data from the sources and write the data from the respective destination. And the byte array input stream and byte array output streams are allows to read and write the data that can be written to multiple files together. Here, byte data written together. Filter input stream and filter output streams are used to write the data for the future use. Here, buffered output streams are used to improve the performance of rest of output stream operations. Here the data are stored in a buffer, so we can easily access and write the data in a respective destination site. Here object streams are mainly supports for graph of Java objects. Next one is applets. Applets are a special type of a program to generate the dynamic content that is embedded in a web page. Applets are designed to be embedded with an HTML page. When your user views an HTML page, the code for the applet is downloaded to the user machine. Here we need a JVM to run the applet program. JVM is required to run the applet program in a user machine. JVM generates an applet class instantly and invokes init method to an applet. There is no main method in an applet class. Applets are accessed on internet servers transported over the internet. The advantages of the applets are it works at client side, so less response time is needed and more secured compared to the other programs, and it can be executed by the browser running under platforms like including Linux, Windows, Mac OS, etc. The hierarchy of applet is applet class extends panel class. Panel class extends container. Container is the subclass of the component, and component contains many objects inside it. Life cycle of the applets are applet initialized and started, painted, stopped, destroyed. We have two packages mainly to run the applet program. First one is java.applet and the another way is java.awt. In java.applet class contains four lifecycle methods like init, start, stop, destroy. And java.awt package, it is AWT means abstract window toolkit. AWTs are mainly used for communicate the applet programs with the client. It have only one method inside it, that is the paint method. In java.applet class contains four lifecycle methods. First is init. Init is used to initialize an object. It invokes only once at a time. Start method is used to execute the applet program, and the browser is maximized in it. It is used to start the applet programs. Public.void.stop method. This method is used to stop the applet which was currently executing in a JVM. Invoked when the applet is stopped or browser is minimized. Last method is destroy. Destroy is to completely destroy the applet program. It also invokes only once in the applet. In java.awt package, that is java.awt.component class, have only one lifecycle method, that is a paint. It is used to paint an applet. That means we have write the programs inside the paint method. Next one is how to run the applet program. We will run the applet program in two ways. First one is HTML file. Second method is applet viewer tool. Applet program using HTML file. We will create two separate files. First one is Java file and another one is HTML file. For applet program, we need two basic packages inside it, that is java.applet and java.awt. To import this package in the Java program, we use import keyword inside it. First, import java.applet.applet. It contains 4 lifecycle methods. Import java.awt.graphics. Graphics is the class inside the AWT component. First, we will mention the class as public class. First is the Java program name. It extends applet. Within that, we will use the paint method inside it. We also mention it as a public void paint and then graphics G. Here, paint provides graphics class object that can be used for drawing oval, rectangles, etc. Here g.string will print the welcome string using 150 height and 150 width. Next one, this is the Java program, individual Java program. We will name this program as first.java. Next, we will create an individual HTML file that is named as myapplet.html. Within the HTML tag, we will create the applet code like applet code equal to, that is the Java program name dot class and then width and height. After we will create this applet program and compile it, we will create the HTML file. This is the one method for creating the applet program, and another method is without the individual HTML file. Second method is create an applet program using applet viewer tool. Instead of creating an individual HTML file, we use the same coding in the Java program in a command section using applet tag. Here, file name is first.java. We use the two basic packages java.applet, java.awt. Here, file name is the first. It extends the applet. Using paint method, we will display the message welcome to applet with 150 height and 150 width. Note it down. We will not create a individual HTML file. Instead of that, we use same applet coding inside the command section using applet tag. So here // mention it is a command section. Inside it, we use applet tag like applet code file name dot class with 300 height 300. After, let's see how to run this program. First we will compile this Java program using javac program name, that is first.java. After compile this coding, we use the applet viewer tool like using instruction applet viewer space program name .java. Finally, we will get the output to this program. Thank you.